Hello and welcome to one and all present here. Let's start this event in a unique way. So, we have a short story for all of you. Here we go. A gentleman was walking through an elephant camp and he spotted that elephants weren't kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused as to why the elephants didn't use their strengths to break the rope and escape the camp. Curious and wanting to know the answer, he asked a trainer nearby why the elephants were just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, "When they were very young and much smaller, we used the same size rope to tie them, and at that age it's enough to hold them. As they grew up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never tried to break free." The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that over time they adopted the belief that it just wasn't possible. What we learned from the story was to believe in yourself and all that you are. Just because you were not able to do things in past, that doesn't mean you won't be able to do it now. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. No matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. On this note, I, Ms. Saili Pallav, welcome you all to our 7th online BRIMS Connect session for the month of August 2020. On 14th August, Dr. Nitin Joshi was invited as a guest speaker for a program by VPM's Advanced Study Center. On 15th August, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully organized orientation session of DHL Smart Trucking for MMS and PGDM operations students on internship proposal. 2 senior HR persons interacted with students. 5 students were selected for online internship with DHL Smart Trucking. Those were Priyanka Shinde, Aniket Bakkar, Suraksha Dahane, Siddharth Bhurke and Shweta Chavan. A heartiest congratulations to all the students. Going forward, on 20th August, Professor Vibhuti Save assessed Global Indian International School Ahmedabad Campus application for excellence in crisis competition as per IMC Ramkrishnan Bajaj National Quality Award criteria, that is IMC RBNQA. Going ahead, on 30th August, Dr. Arlov John Vera, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali and Professor Vibhuti Save successfully completed the first batch of online supply chain modular course. We have with us one of the participants, Mr. Ashish Sharma, sharing his experience regarding the course.
Hi, my name is Ashish Sharma. I would like to share the feedback for online course of supply chain management which I have opted from VPM Thane Institute in Thane West. The online course was good and well planned from the VPM Thane management, as there was no issue with the lectures login. All was well planned from the management end. All the professors was very good in teaching with entertaining the students with great enthusiasm and with good examples or live examples of supply chain management. All MCQs and assignment was well planned. It was very well coordination of VPM Thane Institute with their IT department, so that there would be no issue in login with the web with the Cisco application. Final exam was also well planned with great coordination of management. Thank you for all your great support. It was very great and interacting lectures with all the professors. Thank you very much.
Also, in month of August, Dr. Nitin Joshi provided an opportunity for international project to our three MMS HR students, Mr. Jay Nangre, Ms. Sobel Sordekar and Ms. Shramika Ghagre. They are working under guidance of Professor Kanchan Akshay on the project given by First Wave Research. They have to identify online training platforms and market for online training for India, Middle East and Africa. It's a 1-month project with a stipend of 12,000 per student. We also have with us Mr. Jay Nangre sharing his experience. Let's have a look.
Warm greetings to all. My name is Jay Nangre and I am here to share my experience working on an international research project with Mr. Roy Thakran on starting a virtual learning and development platform. The project includes study of various markets, their market trends, their gap analysis and study of potential customers as well as their competitors. I would like to thank our director, Mr. Nitin Joshi and Ms. Kanchan Akshay, our faculty, for giving us, that is me, Shramika and Sobel, my classmates, this great exposure and opportunity to work on this international project. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, and we look forward to more such opportunities in our future.
Going ahead, Dr. Nitin Joshi has been appointed as a reviewer for Scopus Index Journal, International Journal of Business, Innovation and Research. A research paper written by Dr. Nitin Joshi on topic A Study of Perception of Customer about Service Quality between Public and Private Life Insurance Companies in Mumbai got published in UGC listed journal. Also, in month of August, a research paper written by Dr. Smita Zappe on topic Bank Consolidation, Pre- and Post-Merger Financial Performance of State Bank of India got published in International Journal of Management, IT and Engineering. Going forward, Professor Krunal K. Punjani, Dr. Smita Zappe, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali, Professor Vibhuti Save and Professor Sandeep Moghe, the IIC team of BRIMS organized InnoBiz Innovation Competition for the month of August, which was coordinated with mentors to get their solution notes and also coordinated with the senior judge panel to evaluate all the teams. Now, Professor Deepthi Pediwal would reveal the results for InnoBiz competition.
It's indeed a pleasure to announce the winners for InnoBiz Innovation Competition for the month of August 2020. On the 5th position, we have Pavitra and Mansi, mentored under the guidance of Professor Sandeep Moghe. Congratulations to the entire team and the mentor. On the 4th position, we have Jatin Matre, Samruddhi and Saima, mentored under the guidance of Professor Krunal K. Punjani. Congratulations to the students as well as the mentor. On the 3rd position, we have Purva, Revati, Saili and Saili again, mentored under the guidance of Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. Congratulations to the entire team and the mentor. On the 2nd position, we have Sonia and Tanvi, mentored under the able guidance of Professor Kanchan Akshay. Again, congratulations, you all have made to the 2nd position. Finally, on the 1st position, we have Mahiba, Saili, Prasansha and Ankita, mentored under the guidance of Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. Congratulations to the team and the mentor.
Hello everyone, this is our innovative solution for increasing sales but declining profit of XYZ e-commerce company. For that we identify some major problems which include huge discount on product, high return with cost of refund, inventory holding expenses and low sales of a high margin product. For having these problems, we introduce 4 approaches. First is the offer oriented approach, which focus on lowering discount without affecting sales. Next is a return oriented approach, which focus on reducing return and changing cost pattern associated with return. Product oriented approach, which focus on sales of a high margin product, and inventory oriented approach, which focus on lowering the inventory carrying cost. So first one is the offer oriented approach. For that we introduce customer based offer strategy, means divide the customer as per their shopping category and provide differentiated offers like surfer and researcher. Give them first time purchase offer of their preference. Next, the one time customer, no discount but a voucher for next purchase which expire in a month. Discount driven, give combo discount offer where complementary product are to be purchased together. Focus customer, give them recognition as a valuable customer and a surprise gift once in a year. Next is a return oriented approach. For that we use dissatisfaction minimization strategy, which include correct product images, description and a short video for minimize confusion in product by having good visual of products. Get the order correct the first time, so send correct product that was ordered. Prioritize the packaging, differentiate packaging according to the risk of product getting damaged. Introduce satisfaction badges, give after 3 successful unreturned purchase and at the end of the year a gift as per badges received. Next is a product oriented approach. For that we use comparison and combination strategy, which include negotiation for additional discount for additional lot of product purchase, so that product will be sold at same price but purchased at a different cost. Give combo offer where one product is of high margin and another is a low. It will combine shipment cost too. When a person is viewing a low margin product, show comparison of the product with a high margin product. Last but not the least is inventory oriented approach. For that we decided to use ABC analysis strategy, which include A, high value product with a low frequency of sales. Order minimum inventory as per past forecast and do part payment during purchase and full payment after the sale. B, moderate value product with a moderate frequency of sale. Order average inventory as per past forecast and pre-order some extra and hold with the vendor by doing part payment. And C, low value product with a high frequency of sale. Order and hold inventory as per past record and negotiate for discount for extra orders. So this is our innovative solution and it is presented by Mahiba, Saili, Prashansa and Ankita under the guidance of Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra ma'am.
Here are some of the FDPs and workshops attended by our faculty members. Dr. Nitin Joshi attended a workshop on entrepreneurship for career development. Dr. Smita Zappe attended an online workshop organized by AICTE on topic Incorporating Universal Human Values in Education. Professor Krunal K. Punjani attended various workshops such as 2 certificate modules on how to promote your research for maximum impact and plagiarism, developing research questions, meditation and moderation analysis, and application of Mendeley on research. Also, in month of August, Dr. Arlof John Vera attended these webinars on essential education for accelerating creative career using AI to accelerate time to market and improve market quality and true value of blockchain in supply chain. Now, let's have a glance on the achievements of the students in the month of August 2020. Mr. Girish Maske, PGDM second year student, completed a certification course in Nano Diploma in Commerce, Sharing Economy and Introduction to Finance by EDAP. He also completed an online course on Build Data Driven Enterprises. Mr. Jai Nangre, MMS second year student, received an appreciation during internship project at Appraisal, Productivity and Performance. Ms. Purva Asgaonkar, MMS second year student, completed an online project on analyzing companies' performance using ratios offered by Coursera. Mr. Suyash Patil, MMS second year student, completed an online course on Excel skills for business essentials by Coursera. Mr. Swapnil Hirve, MMS second year student, completed an online course on investment banking and overview and accounting the foundation offered by Wall Street Mojo. So these were the achievements and updates for the month of August. I would like to thank our director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for their constant support and motivation. Also, we would like to extend our gratitude towards Dr. Minakshi Malhotra and Professor Sandeep Moge for their guidance. We would like to thank our IT support team. Without them, this event would have not been possible on such a digital platform. We would also like to thank our audience for joining us and making this event a successful one. We would like to thank our student engagement team for coordinating this event. The video was created by PGDM second year student Mr. Ajay Sarse and MMS second year student Mr. Sujay Patil. Thank you and stay safe.